discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. About to get a demo of this at the Sundown Show. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, everybody. I'll go in. Can I come in for a minute for some info? I know you got to cool off a minute. Is it alright? You can give me your...
Just checking the temperature on it.
Yeah, you're good. Can I put the windows up real quick? I do a lot of videos. Could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
Yeah, my name's Matt Bryson. I got 6 ZV6 18s, so 4th order, force tuned about 44 hertz. It's on full Wolf Rim 9 keys on 135 C-Max. I got a JS 425 and a 390 Brand X.
Okay. Very nice. I like your way your dash is built. This is pretty unique.
Thanks, man.
Looks comfortable too.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Who built the box?
I did.
Very nice.
Turned every screw in this thing.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's nice and sealed off and smooth.
Yeah.
Did you do some fab work on the roof too,
Yeah,
or
yeah,
you did? Yep.
Yeah.
Very nice.
A lot of time in the garage, that's for sure.
Oh, I'm sure. And it's clean, like no issues.
Thanks, man.
Wow. What made you go with this style of box over like side port or anything? Just curious. I always ask owners.
Really no choice.
Yeah.
Just basically just going for something that was demo, something trying to get something windy.
Yes, sir.
I did have FI SP4 V2 18s in here,
Okay.
but they just didn't drop as low, so I switched up to these EV6.
Yep.
I only had these for about a week.
Okay. Oh, still breaking them in?
Yeah. They're doing pretty good though.
Awesome. All right. Are they wired at 1 ohm or half ohm or 0.3?
I've got 3 straps for 2 amps, so they're 0.75 per amp.
Okay. Got it. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I'm gonna stick with the same songs. It's doing pretty good.
Sure.
It's coming along.
On everybody, this is Jake Cavallo. I hope you enjoyed the full walkthrough. We got a Matt system. He did a really good job showcasing it at the Sundown Show in North Carolina area. Give him a like and let him know what you think about his system by commenting. Really powerful 160 dB plus system. These subwoofers are rated at 2,500 watt RMS, but of course he's given them all the juice with the amplifier rack that you saw in the bag. So pretty impressive to see these subs actually handling probably 3,000 to 4,000 watts clamped when he turns it up all the way. I didn't find out the actual box specs cubic wise or the SPL score, but I know he's doing at least a 160. I could tell by just the amount of power and the way he efficiently built the box. Notice those amplifier cooling fans and that battery bank behind the amplifier is pretty impressive that he actually has a lot of work involved to fit all of this power in this tight space. So, and also if you notice the way he has his fine-tuned ports, those are fine-tuned to shrink his port area. For 4th orders, that's very critical, especially for the amount of cone area. You can definitely tell he's done a lot of work to get this system as loud as it is. It doesn't just get built in a week and it works. He's probably spent 2 years fine-tuning it to get it this windy. So we've got a hair trick, 2 people reactions inside, float trick, demo time now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily videos coming your way every day on Jacob Vile and enjoy this impressive 4-minute demo.
building musical bandwidth window machine, man. Really windy. Thank you very much for the demo. What was your name?
Matt.
Matt?
Yep.
Oh, awesome. Everybody give a like for Matt. Really good demo, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.